Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 19, Properties of Magnetic Field, and video number 37. In this video, we have to discuss what is meant by magnetism, two activities, the earth is a gigantic magnet, magnetic needle, the properties of magnetic line of force, penetrating ability of magnetic field, and metal detector. First one we have to discuss. Magnet are made up of alloy iron, cobalt, nickel. Nipper mag, an alloy of iron, nickel, aluminum and titanium is used to make magnet. We have also learned that alnico is a magnetic alloy of aluminum, nickel and cobalt. Magnetism. So we can take two activities: apparatus steel bar, bar magnet, iron filling and thread. Place the steel bar AB on a table, take the bar magnet, place the N pole of the A end and steel bar and drag toward the B end. Lift the bar magnet and drag it N north pole to the A end to B. Again and again. Repeat this at 50 to 20 times. Now take the steel bar near the some iron fillings and observe that what will happen. The steel bar will be seen have developed magnetism. This method of magnetism is called single touch method. And that type of procedure also done in double bar magnet. Place the steel bar on table, take two bar magnets and repeat this activity 50 to 20 times. This method of magnetism is called as double touch method. The magnetism generated by this method lasts longer compared to that of generated by single touch method. Then earth is gigantic magnet means the scientist William Gilbert have scientific explanation based on the experiment of the observation that freely suspended magnet always settle in a north-south direction. He have round shaped naturally occurring magnetic rock. He suspended the spherical magnet so that could have turned freely and brought north pole of a bar magnet near to it. The south pole of the magnetic sphere were attracted toward it. Then magnetic needle. Take the square cardboard and mark the direction on it. Place the pot fitted with the water and center of the cardboard. Take magnetized needle, stick it to the small pieces of the cardboard by means of the sticking tape. Place the piece of the sticking tape cardboard with the needle on the surface of water and pot. In which direction does the magnetized needle point? Then magnetic field. What is the difference? An inference from the above experiment is that the British researcher Michael Faraday named these lines going to the one end of the bar magnet to the other is magnetic line of force. The magnetic needle is also magnetic line of force. The region crowd around the magnet where the magnetic force act on the object is called magnetic force, is called as magnetic force. The magnetic field around magnet can be shown by the means of magnetic line of force. The intensity of magnetic field is placed can be gauged by the number of line of force that pass to the unit of area place perpendicular to that of area. Michael Faraday imagined that there is might be invisible line force going from one pole of magnet to the other. Magnetic attraction and repulsion might be taking place through the medium of line of force. If Faraday idea was accepted, the intensity of magnetic field can be obtained from number of line of force explained above. Then properties of magnetic line of force is: first one, the magnetic line of force are imaginary connecting lines. Faraday introduced the concept of lines of force in order to explain magnetic attraction and repulsion. Then second one, magnetic line of force always run from north pole to south pole. The south pole may be of same magnet or different one. Magnetic line of force in a state of tension like stretch spring. Magnetic line of force repels each other. Magnetic line of force do not intersect each other. The number of magnetic line of force particular point determine the strength of magnetic field. You can see from figure properties of given above help to explain repulsion between like poles and attraction between opposite pole. According to third property, the line of force joining the north and south pole magnet being stretch state like spring. Penetrating ability of magnetic field. One experiment are given. Spread some pins to the table. Hold the cardboard of small distance above these pins. Place the bar magnet on a cardboard and observe. Now move the magnet slowly over the cardboard and observe. Repeat the procedure increasing the layer of the cardboard and observe. So you have seen that the magnetized needle stuck to the cardboard is water near the magnet. Observe the direction in which needle moves. Repeat this place the magnet difference place around magnet and observe. Then metal detector. Function of metal detector means the machines of this based on the electromagnet. Metal detector are used in a very important places like airport, bus stations, certain temples and building. They are used for inspection of persons entering the palace. Metal detector are used in a detect very precious article and also in the food processing industry to detect any iron, steel object mixed unknownly in foodstuff, as this would be harmful to the health. Then in geology, these machines are used in a detect presence and quantity of metals. So today we have discussed lesson number 19 and video number 37, the properties of magnetic field. In this video we have to discuss magnetism, two activities of steel bar. The earth is a gigantic magnet, the magnetic needle, the magnetic field, the properties of magnetic line of force, the penetrating ability of magnetic field and metal detector. So you like this video, please like, subscribe. Thank you very much.